Welcome to the ultimate guide for YouTube TV, your go-to way to watch live TV, sports, and entertainment. Anytime, anywhere. YouTube TV is one of the best live TV streaming services, offering cable-free access to your favorite channels, live sports, and on-demand content. Whether you're cutting the cord or just looking for a flexible way to watch TV, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. What is YouTube TV? YouTube TV is a subscription-based streaming service that gives you access to live TV from major networks, including sports, news, and entertainment. With unlimited DVR, multiple device support, and no long-term contracts, it's a powerful alternative to cable. Unlike traditional cable, YouTube TV works over the internet, allowing you to stream on smart TVs, mobile devices, tablets, and computers, so you're never tied to a single screen. How to sign up and get started. First, go to the official YouTube TV website or download the app on your device. Start your free trial to explore the service before committing. Choose the base plan or customize it with premium add-ons like HBO, Showtime, or Sports Plus. Then, set up your profiles, adjust settings, and start recording your favorite shows with unlimited DVR. Key features and benefits. YouTube TV gives you access to over 100 live channels, including ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and more. It comes with unlimited cloud DVR, so you can record your favorite content and store it for up to 9 months. You can stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for families. And best of all, there are no long-term contracts, so you can cancel anytime without hidden fees. Tips to get the most out of YouTube TV. Use the search function to quickly find live or recorded content. Enable DVR auto record so you never miss a game, show, or exclusive event. Set up family sharing to create up to 6 personalized accounts under one subscription. And take advantage of add-ons like 4K streaming, extra sports channels, and interactive features like multi-view for live sports. YouTube TV offers a seamless way to enjoy live television without the hassle of cable. With its flexible features, high-quality streaming, and extensive channel lineup, it's one of the best live TV streaming services available today.